Imagine getting paid for every ad that pop up while you're watching a video instead of getting annoyed and waiting for the skip button. How can you get paid in return? There is a little secret method that no one will reveal that can earn you money every time you watch an ad. The cool part is that you can do this from home and anywhere in the world. It is free and only takes 30 seconds of your time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. This is a platform that has paid out over $868 million to its members, so almost $1 billion since they created this platform that pays people to watch ads. Now what you can do is you can cash out in different ways. So if you want to cash out Amazon gift cards and other valid cards, you can cash out $500 now. This platform is called wich. So it's rewards platform that rewards you for watching ads. We want to go to a place that pays us to watch ads. So what do? This is exactly where we keep the mouse on this small tab. We go to the home that takes us to this page. There we click on this special button that they call the media. This is a special offer that shows people ads and then paying people just to click on those ads. So what we're going to do is go to AdSense Media, which brings us here. If you're going to watch any video that's a YouTube video, the video you want to go and do it here, they have different signs with all the video you are watching right now. So sweet music, celebrities, viral tutorial games, funny ad, vantager, videos, cat video, funny. So you can watch your favorite video here, but it's nice to get paid for your time. So what you want to do is come here. You can click on the video and then you can go to genre. Go to specific videos that you like ads. As you can see, they will pay you every time in wich. Then you can convert to Amazon gift cards, PayPal cards, Apple gift cards and things like that. So you can press start earning until the video come up and then you get paid. You can do it all day long as you want, like, and just scroll down and they have more and more videos and ads for you to watch. All you have to do is click on load more offers. They have an endless number of ads. Now, how do we get other people to actually watch these ads? Help us earn more, because they have a system here that allows you to earn money from other people watching ads. The first thing we're going to do is go to the more tab and click on referral and earning to bring you here where you get 300 bonus plus 10 lifetime earnings from everyone who refers. So try to refer on person and earn $100. Earn $10 will bring $1,000 will earn you $100. If he earns $10,000 in his lifetime, you will earn $1,000. We'll show you exactly how to get thousands of people to click on your implementation link in the next 7 days. Right here and then sign up and start watching the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit copy and copy the link here, and then we're going to the first platform, and now that's a good platform to use. It will definitely help you reach more than 100,000 people. There is a second platform that's better. I will show you only 1%. But the first platform here is Facebook. What you want to do is you come to Facebook and search for earn money online. Then you change it to public groups and it shows all of these. There are public groups you can join today that are actively looking for online money making opportunities, work from home opportunities, groups with high number of members. You enter groups. Now as you can see, you have access to thousands of people, and all you have to do is post your link. You just have to post one post a day for the next 7 days. That will get about 1,000 people to click on your link and sign up by watching the ads. Now the second platform is actually a site, classify ads. It is called, and it is a very attractive place where people come and look for jobs. As you can see, people come looking for business opportunities. They are looking for any jobs. The first thing you want to do is actually to click on people looking for hundreds, and you can see that here are a lot of people looking for simple work from home jobs. Home businesses are work from home opportunities. What we are going to do is post a free ads. We click on this button that takes us to done and then to category jobs. We can go to people looking for jobs, or we can go to business opportunities. Place your location at your location. The title is a work from home opportunity, asking for $100 an hour, and then we want to say it's a work from home opportunities with an area program where you can work as long as you want and earn as much as you want. Click the link to apply and then paste your run link right here. So we can paste your link as you see it. Our SWOT box link goes there, and then we put in our email, zip code, and send it to potentially thousands of people. When they see our classified ads post, they will register, and in this way, after earning money from them, you will also earn money.